This is the Kansas Amber Alert System activated for the county of Pawnee, Kansas. A child has been abducted from the town of Larned and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Madeline Tiffin. She is a 15-year-old white female, 5 feet 3 inches tall, 120 pounds with blonde hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing black ripped pants, black and white shoes and a black long-sleeved shirt under a red Chicago Bulls jersey with the number 23, and a silver heart necklace. Abducted by Zahir Mohammed Roy, a 36-year-old Indian male, 5 feet 8 inches tall, 150 pounds with black hair, brown eyes. He may be driving a blue 2017 Ford EcoSport bearing Kansas license plate 7228LYW. If you have any information regarding the abduction, please call 911 immediately.